Alright, how y'all doing? Old Brad here. And I was gonna use Sony camcorder record this, but it wouldn't focus. It would focus more on my hand than the small lines that I was using in the drawing it. It just would not focus, so I didn't use that right here to record this right here. And really not pleased at how this turned out. It's actually shorter. Actually, you can actually look at the carrier, how long it is, where the island is, and then this whole structure and everything. But anyway, besides that, I mean, it's got good detail on it. But the Sony camcorder wouldn't record it, so I didn't bother recording with it. It just would not. It would capture my hand. It wouldn't capture small lines or anything. But actually, the island, if you can see it, is slightly seen. It's hard for my phone to pick this up, being a final product. Instead of being about 1,090 something feet long, this right here is probably, if you would build this, probably about 850 feet probably. Needs to be a little bit longer right here. But, you know, learn as you go. And to draw it in smaller would have been kind of crazy on a sheet of paper. Just a regular old sheet of paper. With old ruler. A little over 12 inches long, so I would have needed a bigger sheet of paper. I do have bigger sketch pads that I'm going to end up using because I'm about done with this one here. But it took about an hour and 40 minutes, something like that, to draw this. But anyhow, learn as you go, I reckon. Thanks for watching. It's Old Brad. Bye.